Magandang buhay po sa lahat at welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo on how to solve for k or how to solve problem about geometric sequence. Just like this problem, find k so that k minus 1, k plus 5, and 7k minus 1 will form a geometric sequence. So paano nga po ba i-calculate yung value ng k dito? Yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so paano nga po ba i-calculate yung value ng k sa problem na ito? So we have k minus 1, k plus 5, and 7k minus 4. Para daw po maka-form tayo ng geometric sequence. Ano po? So try po natin. Ibaba po natin yung given na k minus 1, k plus 5, and 7k minus 1. So yan po yan. So ibibigyan ko lang po kayo ng concept about geometric sequence. Just like for example, ito po yung ating geometric sequence, 3, 6, and 12. So sa geometric sequence, kapag dinivide natin yung right term sa left term, just like for example, 12 divided by 6, lagay po natin, 12 divided by 6 should also equal to the ratio of 6 divided by 3. Ano po? Kasi from right to left. Okay. So dapat equal yan. Kapag hindi nag-equal ito, then hindi ito geometric sequence. Ano po? So try po natin. What is 12 divided by 6? That is equal to 2. And 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 also. So therefore, pareho po. Ang tawag po dito ay common ratio. So again, 12 divided by 6 is 2 and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So therefore, in this case, pwede po nating i-divide yung right sa left, 12 over 6, at yung dito sa pair ng 6 and 3, right to left, so 6 over 3. So ganoon po yung gagawin po natin dito para makalculate po natin yung value ng k. So i-divide po natin yung 7k minus 1 dito po sa k plus 5. Okay, divide po natin yan. So 7k minus 1 over k plus 5. And then next po, ito naman pong k plus 5 over k minus 1. Okay? So, k plus 5 over k minus 1. So, in this case, hindi po natin pwedeng i-divide yung 7k minus 1 over k plus 5 kagaya po dito. So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito ay cross multiply. Ano po? So, cross multiply po tayo. So, unahin po natin dito yung 7k minus 1 times k minus 1. Yan. And then, equal po natin sa product nitong other pair, k plus 5 times k plus 5. So, in this case, pwede rin pong ganito. Dapat equal. So, what is 12 times 3? 36. What is 6 times 6? 36. So, equal pa rin po yan. So, dapat dito, pag equal natin, in this case, makakalculate po natin yung value ng k. So, okay, so itaas po natin. So, paano nga po ba i-multiply yung 7k minus 1 times k minus 5? Okay, ganito lang po yan. Ang una pong mating multiply, ito pong first term, 7k times k. So, gawin po natin. Ito po, 7k times k is equal to 7k squared. Next po, para po makuha yung middle term nito, ay multiply po natin ito. Dalawang nasa loob po. Ano po? Negative 1 times k. So, lagay po natin dyan. Lagay ko po ng mark. What is negative 1 times k? That is negative 1k or just negative k. The next po ay ito po magkabilang dulo. So, what is 7k times negative 1? That is negative 7 then k. Okay, next po ay we are going to add yung product ng dalawa na ito. I-add po natin. What is negative 1k plus negative 7k? Since pareho pong negative, you are going to add 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 and then yung k, that is negative 8k. Okay. Then, para po dito sa last term, multiply naman po natin dito magkabilang dulo. What is negative 1 times negative 1? Lagyan ko po ng mark. What is negative 1 times negative 1? Yan po ay positive 1 kaya plus 1 is equal to, ito naman po sa magkabila, k plus 5 times k plus 5. So, madali pong i-multiply ito kasi yung numerical coefficient ng k pareho ay 1, unlike dito na 7. So, kapag 1 po ang numerical coefficient, madali lang po i-multiply. Multiply lang po natin dito. K times k is equal to k squared. And then next po, para makuha yung middle term, a-add lang po natin magkabilang dulo. What is 5 plus 5? That is equal to 10. Din lagyan po natin ng variable 10k. So 5 plus 5 is positive, kaya that is plus 10k. Then, equal plus 25. Bakit po plus 25? After po nating i-add, 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 times 5 naman po. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Okay. So, kuha na po natin yung product ng dalawang binomials. So ngayon naman ay combine like terms. So we have 7k squared, we have k squared dito. So lahat po ng terms dito ay ililipat natin sa kabila, isasama natin sa kanilang ka-like terms. So para ang matira po dito ay 0 sa right ng equal sign. So sige po, try natin. 7k squared at k squared magkapareho po. Kaya baba ko po dito, 7k squared. Pag nilipat po itong k squared dito sa kabila ng equal sign, change sa sign, positive will become negative. Kaya yan po ay magiging minus k squared. And then, negative 8k at 10k, pareho po yan. So, ibaba ko po, negative 8k kaya minus 8k. So, hindi po tatawid itong minus 8k ng equal sign, kaya the same po yung kanyang sign. Ito pong 10k, since kakabila po ng equal sign from right to left, then, change sa sign plus 10k, magiging minus 10k. And then, another po ay plus 1 at plus 25. So, again, yung plus 20, plus 1, the same po yung kanyang operation kasi nasa left pa rin ng equal sign, kaya plus 1, yung pong plus 25 ang nag-change ng sign. So, magiging minus 25, then equal to 0. So, lahat po ng dito sa right ng equal sign ay nilagay natin sa kabila lahat, kaya wala pong natira, kaya 0 po. And then, you are going to combine like terms. So, ito po, 7k squared minus k squared. Like terms po yan, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Then, copy the variable 6 square. Then, ito naman pong minus 8k at minus 10k, pareho pong negative, add 8 plus 10 is 18, then copy the sign negative, kaya yan po ay negative 18, so minus 18k. And then, what is 1 minus 25? That is negative 24, kaya minus 24. Then, equal to 0. So, yan po yung ating equation na nakalap mula po dito sa ating pinag-cross multiply. So, in this case, ito po ay quadratic equation. Ikakalculate po natin yung value ng k. Okay, para masagot po natin yung tanong ng problem na find k, para ito po ay maging geometric sequence. Okay, so task ko po dito. So ang ating pong quadratic equation, 6k squared minus 18k minus 24 equals 0 can be reduced to lowest term. So paano po i-reduce? Take note na yung 6, 18 at 24 can be divisible all by 6. Ano po? So divisible by 6 po lahat yan. Kaya simplify po natin o reduce, divide by 6. So unahin po natin yung first term. 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So 1k squared or just k squared. Then, ito pong second term, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So, minus 18 yun, kaya minus 3. Then, yung k, kaya minus 3k. And then, para sa last term, 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So, minus 24, kaya magiging minus 4. Okay? So, equal to 0. So, ito, na-simplify na po natin yung ating quadratic equation. Naging k squared minus 3k minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, taas ko po dito. So in this case, marami pong method sa pag-calculate ng quadratic equation. So pwede pong quadratic formula, factoring, completing this square, and extracting square root. In this case, pwede po ang factoring dito. Factorable po itong ating equation. So pag factoring, gawa po tayo ng dalawang parenthesis. Since ang numerical coefficient ng k dito is 1, madali lang po yung factor ito. So itong dalawang k po nito, k squared, paghiwalayin po natin sa magkabila ng ating parenthesis. So k times k. And then next, hanap po tayo ng factors ng negative 4 kasi minus 4. Anong factors ng negative 4 na kapag pinag-plus natin is negative 3? Ang factors po niya ay negative 4 at positive 1. Ano po? So that, negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So ito po yung kanyang factors, k minus 4 at k plus 1. Ano po? So, na-factors na po natin. Itong dalawang factors na ito, equate natin to 0. So, k minus 4 equal to 0 at sa kabila ay k plus 1 equal to 0. So, ano po ang value ng k dito? Transpose lang po itong negative 4. Lagay po sa right ng equal sign. Change sa sign kasi minus 4 magiging plus 4. Ano po? So, positive 4. So, k is equal to positive 4. Sa kabila naman, k is equal to negative 1. Okay, so ito po yung possible values ng k. Dalawa po sila. So, k is equal to 4 and k is equal to negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating pong pattern dito ay dalawa po ang pwede niyang mag-create na geometric sequence. So, tignan po natin using k is equal to 4 and k is equal to negative 1. But in this case, ay nasagot na po natin yung tanong ng problem na find k. Ano po? Ang k is 4 and negative 1. Try po natin kung ano yung dalawang geometric sequence. Unahin po natin yung k is equal to 4. Substitute po natin dito. So, ang k po dito ay 4. Magiging 4, then minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. First term. Next, 4 po yung k, kaya k, then plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay? Next, 7k minus 1. So, ang k ay 4 again. Substitute lang po dito. 7k means 7 times k, kaya 7 times k is 4. So, 7 times 4, then minus 1. Multiply first, 7 times 4 is 28, minus 1 is equal to 27. Ito po yung ating geometric sequence na na-create kapag k is equal to 4. Check po natin kung geometric sequence. Divide lang natin from right to left. What is 27 divided by 9? That is 3. And then, divide natin ulit dito. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So, pareho po yung nakuha natin. Yes, ang tawag po dito common ratio. So, ibig sabihin, kapag k is equal to 4, geometric sequence po ito. Ano po? At ang sequence na yon ay 3, 9, and 27. How about naman po kaya kapag k is equal to negative 1? Okay, so negative 1, ang k po natin, yan, and then minus 1. What is negative 1 minus 1? That is negative 2. Next po, k plus 5. So, negative 1 yung k, kaya negative 1 plus 5. That is positive 4. Next, 7k minus 1. 7 times k po natin negative 1, kaya 7 times negative 1, then bring down minus 1. Multiply first. What is 7 times negative 1 is equal to negative 7, then minus 1. What is negative 7 minus 1? That is negative 8. So, check po natin kung geometric sequence yung napalabas nating numbers. So, divide natin. What is negative 8 divided by 4? That is negative 2. Then next, 4 times negative 2, that is still negative 2. So, therefore, common po yung kanilang ratio. So, ibig sabihin, yung na-create po natin na negative 2, 4, and negative 8 is a geometric sequence also. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pong k is equal to negative 1, pwede pong k is equal to positive 4. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel.